different. I'm gonna do an unboxing video of the Kyrie's, I think that Flytrap 3. My baby got me some shoes. What's that look like? Can you see? They're really nice. They're like white and royal blue. It's the bottom of them. I did wear them today. I took some pictures. Let's see. Let's take this out. This is the inside of them. I don't know if y'all can see it. This is the strap. This is the part I really like, the strap, because you don't really see a lot of shoes with straps on them. So I thought that was kind of neat. But then I also like this part right here with the K. I like this. I'm like big into Nike. I love Nike stuff. This is the box right here, and it got 11/23 on there. I don't know if that's the day that the shoe was made or what, but I think that's pretty neat. But I think y'all should go get a pair, ladies, if y'all like shoes, or if y'all into like don't want no flip flops or don't heels, anything like that. These are comfortable. They're a little bit tight though. Like when you first try to put them on, they're a little tight, but they ease up after a while. It got a little sign back here, and it got like some little designs up in here, out of the hole. Then it got the K right there too. But that's about it. Y'all let me know what more videos y'all want to do. If y'all like me doing shoe videos, if y'all want me to do some clothes videos or some hair videos, what would y'all like me to do? I'm out.